Yeah, we got foot brake right now.
So no nitrous, let me get the hit. The line's already disconnected, I'll show you.
Or heads up, let us go on spray.
Heads up.
I think that's a fair race.
I don't understand how I'm the underdog. I'm giving, you know.
I'm the underdog.
You know?
Shit, this thing don't.
It's also 4,000 pounds.
This is a dyno. This is a dyno. No, hell no. This is a dyno graph. I ain't got shit compared to you.
Right. I have probably 75 horse on you on wheels.
Plus the all-wheel
But I'm
drive.
800 pounds.
Plus all-wheel drive.
800 pounds.
All-wheel drive, bro.
Plus
You guys realize what 800 pounds is? I think it would be a good race if we just did heads up. You know, no nitrous. It's the same power. You got the weight advantage. I mean, it'd be a good race. I give you nitrous, you're gonna win.
for how much?
What do you want to race?
I don't know what the side bet's on it.
Heads up, no spray?
We're gonna do heads up, no spray. I already got the line disconnected.
Heads up, no spray? Is that what you guys are going? Yeah.